Get noticed in this 2006 Lexus RX 400h. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes all-wheel drive that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. Memory settings are just one of the extras. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.